This is an Aesop's fable, The Hare and the Tortoise. One sunny afternoon, Hare was making fun of Tortoise for being so slow. "Do you ever get anywhere?" he asked with a mocking laugh. "Yes," replied the Tortoise, "and I get there sooner than you think." "I'll run against you in a race and prove it," said Tortoise. The Hare laughed, but agreed on a race. The Hare and the Tortoise got ready at the starting line. The Fox, who was the judge, started the runners off. The Hare took off and was soon out of sight. Tortoise started off towards the finish line at a slow and steady pace. The Hare wanted the Tortoise to see how ridiculous it was to race him, so he laid down beside a tree to take a nap and let the Tortoise catch up with him. Meanwhile, the Tortoise kept on going, slowly but steadily. He said to himself, "I know that if I just keep going, I will win the race." After a while, the Tortoise passed the place where the Hare was sleeping, but the Hare just kept on sleeping. When at last the Hare did wake up, the Tortoise was near the finish line. The Hare ran as fast as he could, but he could not pass the Tortoise in time. Tortoise won the race. The Fox and the Tortoise's friends met him at the finish line to congratulate him. The moral of the story? Slow and steady wins the race.